These aren't just cars, they're legends on wheels. Today, we reveal 15 of the rarest cars ever built. Ultra rare, insanely valuable, and built for the elite. Ready to witness the impossible? Let's dive in.
Later, Apollo Intensa Emozione. The name says it all. Intense emotion. With a screaming V12 and a spaceship-like design, this hypercar is raw, loud, and brutally beautiful. It's not just rare, it's a mechanical beast made for pure driving passion. Temur 2, Zenvo TSR-S. Born in Denmark, built for madness. The Zenvo TSR-S is famous for its active rear wing that tilts while cornering. It's extreme, exotic, and unlike anything else on the road. Devil 16, a monster with up to 5,000 horsepower. This car sounds like a fighter jet. It's the world's most outrageous hypercar, a dream that looks too wild to be real. But it exists, and it wants to break every speed record known to man. Pending 4. Arash AF10. Looking like it came from a sci-fi movie, the Arash AF10 is part spaceship, part supercar. Uses a hybrid V8 with 1,180 plus horsepower and insane acceleration. It's extremely rare, and even rare to see one in motion. W Motors Fenir Supersport. From the creators of the Lykan Hypersport, the Fenir is a Middle Eastern marvel. Sleek, sharp, and powered by a 900 horsepower twin-turbo flat 6, this is Dubai's ultimate street predator. ACA Spark Owl. Meet the electric hypercar that broke the 0 to 60 record. Just 1.69 seconds. Japan's A-Spark Owl is lightning fast, whisper quiet, and built like a sci-fi sculpture. Only a handful will ever exist. Dallara Stradale, designed by racing legends. The Dallara Stradale is pure track DNA made street legal. It weighs under 900 kilograms and drives like a race car with no filters. Minimalist, lightweight, and made for adrenaline. Panaz Esperante, an American underdog with a rebellious spirit. Hand-built in Georgia, the Esperante mixes old-school muscle with modern luxury. It's rare, loud, and proudly different. HTTT, Plethor, Canada's answer to the hypercar game. The Plethor packs a 1,300 horsepower V8, aggressive lines, gull-wing doors, and a central driving position like the McLaren F1. Only a few were ever built. It's a true hidden gem. Falcon F7 Lost. This is American muscle, redefined for the hypercar age with a 1,100 horsepower twin-turbo V8 and full carbon body. The Falcon F7 screams power. Each one is handcrafted and extremely limited. 11. Radical RXC, built for the track but barely street legal. The Radical RXC is speed in its purest form. Its aerodynamics, downforce, and handling rival Le Mans racers. Not for the faint-hearted, this car demands a skilled driver.
12. Caparo T1.
Imagine an F1 car with a license plate. That's the Caparo T1. It weighs less than 600 kilograms and corners like a jet fighter. Brutally fast and razor sharp, this is a track weapon disguised as a car. 13. Ultima Evolution. British engineering at its finest. The Ultima Evolution can go 0 to 60 in under 2.3 seconds. It's brutally fast, terrifyingly powerful, and often faster than cars twice its price. No fancy tech, just raw speed and control. 14. Vauxhall 05. Lightweight, agile, and ready for the twisties. The VUHL 05 is Mexico's supercar hero. It may be small, but it punches way above its weight with race-grade performance, designed for the pure joy of driving. 15. Praga R1. A Czech-built race car with extreme aero and fighter jet vibes. The Praga R1 is lightweight, loud, and ready to dominate the track. Rare, exotic, and built with no compromise. Apollo Intensa Emozione, a V12 hypercar made in Germany. Only 10 units exist. Wild aero and pure track beast means intense emotion for a reason. Zenvo TSRS from Denmark. This hypercar is known for its tilting rear wing that helps in corners. Twin supercharged V8. Devil 16, a UAE monster with up to 5,000 horsepower, claimed to hit 350 plus miles per hour, but still mostly a prototype. Arash AF10, British-made hybrid hypercar with over 2,000 horsepower, combining electric motors with a V8. W Motors Fenir Supersport, famous Dubai-based brand, same makers of Lykan Hypersport, has Porsche-powered flat 6 tuned to 900 plus horsepower. A-Spark Owl from Japan, an all-electric hypercar with 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.69 seconds. Insanely fast and futuristic. Dallara Stradale, lightweight Italian track car designed by race car engineering legend Gianpaolo Dallara. Panoz Esperante, American luxury sports car with racing DNA. Panoz is one of the only American boutique car makers. HTT, Playthor, Canada's answer to the supercar world. Futuristic design, 1+2 seating like a jet fighter. Falcon F7, built in Michigan, USA, handcrafted supercar with bold American muscle design. Radical RXC, extreme track car from the UK, known for performance in endurance racing. Caparo T1, basically an F1 car for the road, made in the UK by ex-McLaren engineers, super light and hardcore. Ultima Evolution, British kit car brand, but this isn't a toy. Offers over 1,000 horsepower and insane acceleration. VUHL 05, made in Mexico, super light road legal track car, ideal for pure driving experience. Praga R1, Czech-made race car, used in single-make race series, carbon monocoque and built purely for track domination. These are not just cars. They're engineering masterpieces, national pride, and mechanical legends. Each one tells a story of innovation, passion, and the pursuit of perfection. So which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you're a true car lover, hit that like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon because this is just the beginning of our ride through the world's rarest machines. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and your dreams racing.